To adjust the font on Realme GT8 Pro, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down to the home screen, lock screen and style, and then scroll down again and select font. Now right here you'll be able to switch between different font style on the top, so choose whichever one you like. There's more options, you can enter it and then download and apply different options. Keep in mind that some of them will be hidden behind the payment, so you will need to pay for them if it says that it's not free. So choose the theme, then you can change the font size. For some of the options you won't have all of the customization options below, but for this one we can change the font size as I said. You can also change the font weight, which basically changes the thickness of the font, and then apply it to your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.